And so, first of all, I'll just say, how is the world of like finance going with you? And has the coronavirus shaken anything? Or
The world of finance for me, I'd say it's been alright. Even throughout coronavirus. During coronavirus, I was put on a furlough as well, so I was managed to save a lot more money than I would have if I was at work and spending it on expenses.
That's good.
But throughout the whole pandemic sort of era, should we say, money wise, it's been good. I'd say for me personally, yeah.
That's good. So like something I ask everyone is like, how has your journey with finance like evolved with time, like compared to like when you were a kid? Like one thing I'll say, like guys, I went to school in and that's where I met Sassan, and like honestly, I'm so glad like I went. So any lot that's watching this, like shout out to you guys. You guys were amazing, and let's just say Sassan has always been very extravagant. Like he's the one that got me on that like Ciroc vibe, like you know. So I'm just gonna say, like, would you say that the way that you spend then compared to how you spend now, like how's that changed? How's that evolved over time?
I'd say I would spend more now, if I'm honest with you. But it's all controlled.
Okay.
Back in the day, when I was working at Sports Direct, I was only earning £3.50 an hour.
Is that illegal?
At the time, it was legal.
Wow.
So
man,
I saved my money a lot in comparison to all my other like peers around me, because I thought, okay, I've just spent an hour of my life and I've got £3.50 out of it. So, like for example, lunches a meal deal's £3. I'd be like, is this really worth my hour?
An hour
of my life for this meal? So then I'd be like, okay, I need to save more than everyone else around me is saving, just so I can compete with how much they're saving.
That's good. That's a good mentality to have. And yeah, I think that's a very good way to kind of think about it, because at the end of the day, the best asset everyone has is their time. So I think when you start working from a young age, you quickly do get to see like the value of your time and, you know, like what that actually means. So no, that's really cool.